So scientists have just revealed that on September 29th, Earth is going to be getting a second moon. It's only going to be for 57 days though. It's kind of like a timed event. The reason this is happening is basically because there was an asteroid in the asteroid belt that got displaced. It was floating through space and Earth's gravitational pull is going to pick it up. Big part of that is because I'm on Earth. You know, I attract things. Everybody knows that. You know, I'm that guy. Sorry, I got a little off topic there. So yeah, it's going to be a little smaller than our moon. It's going to be orbiting for about 2 months, and then it's going to go back to the asteroid belt. So when you look up in the sky on September 29th and you see 2 moons, you're not schizophrenic, okay? It's science.